Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to this video. I'm pretty excited for this video mainly because I didn't actually know this was a thing and I wanted to talk about it today. Now, first of all, shout out to Kimi K2.5. They sent me this email. We came across your video. We truly appreciate your support, blah, blah, blah. This is the premium membership for you. So they gave me premium membership for free. Also, an API voucher is available. I already redeemed this. And then this is for your followers. You can share this with them. It can be used by up to 100 people, each receiving 3 uses of Agent Swarm, valid for 24 hours. 24 hours from now? I hope not. Anyway, so if you do want to get a free use of Kimi K, then feel free to use this code. I think I just redeemed one. Oops, rip. But yeah, let's talk about this because this is actually super interesting. Now, this is what happens. Hey guys, before continuing, a quick word from our sponsor, me. HarborSEO.ai is currently free. It's version 2. I've worked on it for months and months now, and the thing is 100 times more powerful than it was, with updates to the writer, researcher, linker, scout, which is a new thing, and also featured images using NanoBanana. Also, a very, very nice new feature is the link bait builder, which can get you thousands of backlinks and traffic to specific pages. And if you need a little bit more help with SEO, you can also claim a 50% offer for backlinks by using half price links. And you can see here, you get 50% off the first 3 months of a manual link building campaign. Thanks for the attention. Let's jump back into things. When you follow this link, you get this, introducing Kimi Office Agent, chat your way to professional spreadsheets, documents, slides, blah, blah, blah. Let's just press start now. I just wanted to show you guys something because this is something that I didn't know existed. This is kind of like GenSpark / Manus, but the quality of the design here is actually unbelievable. I really wasn't expecting such a good amount of design. Now, the other thing to mention, which I'll talk about probably in another video, is they do also have Kimi code. When they're saying on benchmarks that this thing performs as well as Opus 4.5, I have to say I haven't found that. Hands in the air. I haven't found that, but I haven't tested it with Kimi code yet. So probably tomorrow I'll do another video on Kimi code, just because a lot of people are saying that Kimi 2.5 is an extremely good model, and it's definitely worth a look. But I just wanted to show you guys this. So you can just say to this, you know, what I said was make me an Irish golf tournament directory, right? Look at the quality of output here. I'm just going to remove that quickly. Let's just look at the what it did first. So okay, I'll create blah, blah, blah. So what does it do? It reads a skill, right? So it actually has skills, which is super nice, built into it. Now I understand the workflow. Let me create a comprehensive Irish golf tournament directory, professional web application showcasing golf tournaments across Ireland with search, filtering, and beautiful visuals. I'll set my task list and begin. So it rotate to do, initialize a React project, blah, blah, blah. Generate design PRD with aesthetic and animation specs. Generate hero and course images. I don't know how it actually did images. We'll see in a second. So the first thing it did was it created a PRD. It did a web search to get live information. I have good research data on Irish golf tournaments. Now let me let me create the design PRD, right? So let's just see. I want to see the design PRD. So it created the file. There we go. Okay, I don't seem to be able to actually see the file, but that's okay. That happens. And then from there, it just started generating stuff. Actually in parallel, it used image generation, which I'm not actually sure what it's using for image generation. I wasn't aware that Kimi had image generation. Does it? I don't think it does, right? Can't generate an image natively, but can use external image generation models, right? Okay. I think it might have some kind of image generation, but I don't know if it's Kimi or something else, whatever. The images are stunning, beautiful. And then, you know, it keeps going, keeps going. It looks like it used CSS, obviously, the Tailwind, good. Now let me create the tournament data. Okay, beautiful. And then just look at the output here, guys. I don't think people are going to be expecting how good this actually is. So let's just press preview here. This is one of the best designs of a website I've actually seen, which I did not expect to be saying. I wouldn't have used this, honestly. If they hadn't messaged me and said, here's some free tokens, I wouldn't have even bothered because, like, I used Kimi K2.5. It was okay, but I didn't love it, right? I didn't absolutely love it. I just thought it was pretty good. It made a few mistakes. It did run for 4 to 5 hours, though. Look at the quality here. Watch. Bang. This is like an Apple website, for God's sake. Look at the quality. What is this? I really was not expecting this, guys. Absolutely absurd. Let's see what it looks like on mobile. Wow. Pretty nice on mobile too. Beautiful. Can we download this? It doesn't look like we can download it. That's a bit of a shame. Surely we can. Oh yeah, view or download files, right? Okay. Oh yeah, download. Okay, beautiful. So you can download them as well. This is pretty game changing, guys. I'm not gonna lie. For a free, or not free, sorry, open source model to be able to do this, that's absurd. That is absurd. This is where things start to get super interesting, right? This is a better design, I would argue, than Stitch. This is a better design than Claude Opus 4.5 with front-end skills attached. So I think I can genuinely say that this is better than Claude Opus 4.5 for design, right? This is one of the best designs I've ever seen, I would say. Let's just do another one. So let's not do something similar. Let's say an e-commerce website selling classic menswear. Now, I don't know how many of these you guys will get or whatever. Obviously, I've got no idea. I've got 201. Membership quota, 198 left. More available on 28th. Free quota, 3 left. So I think you guys will get 3 of these completely for free. I'm going to guess that it's not that expensive to actually upgrade plan. Let's just have a look. So they're apparently using, 7-day free. Apparently they're using Latin words here, which I kind of like as well, to be honest with you. I'm so cringe, man. It's so easy for companies to impress me, I swear. Oh, so it does use Nano Banana. Right, interesting. I thought it was using Nano Banana. I could kind of tell it was using Nano Banana. That's cool, though. I like that they're not afraid to use Nano Banana. Like a lot of these companies, they'll say, oh, we don't have an image generation model that's good. Let's just stick whatever we have on there and just hope that it works, right? So I do like the fact that they're saying, look, we don't have the best image generation model. Let's just use the best image generation model, which is Nano Banana. So I'm just going to let this run, guys. We'll be back. Okay, so this entire process was great to watch, guys. Super interesting. It reminds me a lot of Lovable. Let's see if the quality is as good as the first example that I did, or whether I just got lucky with the first example. If this one's good as well, this might be a competitor to things like Stitch, etc. Right? So this is now done. Let's see if we can actually see the preview. Okay. I mean, this is pretty good as well, honestly, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This isn't even sponsored, right? They haven't sponsored me. I'm trying to get them to sponsor me. But yeah, this is not a sponsored video, right? I'm only doing it because like the quality is actually really, really good. If the quality was terrible, you wouldn't be seeing this video, guys, honestly. Really nice hero section. Everything works on mobile. One thing to mention is this is just React code, so it's not like this is anything crazy. But you could easily take this and turn it into Next.js. It uses Tailwind, so it should automatically be mobile friendly. And overall, guys, I honestly would consider using this over something like Stitch. Stitch is made by a $1 billion company, Google. This is made by some random company in China, and it's competing. Honestly, this is the first time that I can actually say this is in competition with the big dogs. Now, I'm not talking about back-end coding. I'm not talking about this. I'm not talking about that. Front-end design with skills. This is one of the best I've seen so far. I'll leave the video there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.